Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. This buffalo mac and cheese is an absolute winner with my family. It's a definite plate clearer. And we've got simple ingredients here, so your classic mac and cheese ingredients, plus we've got chicken breast, and we're getting all the heat from cayenne pepper, Cajun spice, and plenty of hot sauce too. So we're going to start this off by putting a large pan of water on to boil for the macaroni. Meanwhile, heat a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. When it's hot, add in 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and then we're going to add in 450 grams or a pound of chopped up chicken breast. Then we're going to sprinkle on 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Cajun spice mix. Now fry that all together for about 7 to 8 minutes, stirring often until the chicken's just cooked through. Once it's cooked, remove the chicken from the pan and place in a bowl. By now the water for the pasta should be boiling, so we want to add in 280 grams, which is a little under 10 ounces of elbow macaroni. To the frying pan that you cook the chicken in, we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We want to melt that over a medium heat, then add in a large diced onion and a sliced jalapeno, and fry it all together for about 5 minutes, stirring often until the onion starts to soften. Now sprinkle over 2.5 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour and stir it all together until that flour is nicely absorbed. Cook that for about 1 minute, and then we're going to start adding in splashes of whole milk. I'm using 400 ml or 1 2/3 cup of milk all together. Just add it in a splash at a time and stir it together with a whisk. Continue to stir over the heat until that sauce is lovely, thick and velvety. It should only take a couple of minutes. By now the pasta should be cooked, so we want to drain it in a colander, reserving about a cup of that pasta water so we can add it to the sauce later. Now add the cooked chicken back into the pan along with the cooked pasta. We're going to cook for a further minute to heat that chicken back through. Add a good splash of that pasta cooking water from earlier into the pan, and that'll loosen up the sauce. It'll thicken more as we add the cheese later as well. And now it's time to start really building up that flavour. So we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, 4 tablespoons of hot pepper sauce, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce that adds a nice bit of tang, 125 grams, which is about 1 1/4 packed cups of grated cheddar, 75 grams or 3/4 of a packed cup of Gruyere, and 35 grams, which is about 1/3 of a packed cup of grated mozzarella. Stir it all together and cook for a further 2 minutes or so until that cheese is lovely and bubbly and melty. I love to sprinkle on some chopped spring onions or scallions and then serve it up with lovely buttery garlic bread and a nice green salad. And there you go, it's spicy, it's creamy and it's packed full of flavour, guaranteed clean plates all round. And if you like this one, you're going to love my buffalo chicken burger and my buffalo spring rolls. See you next time.